traders, I'm planning to trade Canadian dollar, and I'm placing an order to sell short Canadian dollar at 126,541. So if you're looking to sell short Canadian dollar, 126,541, this is the indicator, tells us that it's time to place an order. Okay, you still have time, so I'll speak to you later. We will see how long it will take for us to execute this order. Stay safe. Okay, traders, as you can see, position open on Canadian dollar, 126,541. That's a short position. I will show where we opened. Well done, guys, all of you who decided to copy this trade and follow me. Stay with me and I will guide you through the trade. We will close the trade and I will let you know when we're going to place stop for this position. Stay with me. Okay, traders, as you can see, Canadian dollar moved down and we need to place an order to sell if the price will move, change direction, yes, and will start moving higher. So what I'm going to do, I will place an order to, if anything will happen, to sell Canadian dollar at 126.49.1. It will give us 5 pips, and in our case it will give us £500 in profit. Okay, guys, if you manage, let's see, it was like half a day. Yeah, we sold short, well, at 5 o'clock, 5:40. So right now in UK time, what, 21:44. So if it will, it's look like it changed in direction. So if it will change direction and we will fill this order, we will close at 126.49.1. Okay, guys. So all of you guys who copy this trade, who trade in Canadian dollar, please place your order to sell your short position. I'll speak to you later, guys.
the trader who was involved.
Okay, traders, what I'm planning, want to do with Canadian dollar, I want to sell it. So I will hold it overnight with open stop at 126.49.1. Okay, if overnight position will be closed, we will collect profit and I will publish tomorrow of profit. Okay, if it will move lower, tomorrow I will change our stop to another position, probably to another 5 pips. Okay, guys, stay safe. I'll speak to you later and have a nice evening, and I'll see you all, speak to you all tomorrow. Okay, guys, bye bye, see ya.
Or at least that's not being the mainstream received from the moment.